Right, so we are getting to the business. The first round scores for the teams. I'm going to share the screen and let me know if you are able to see the screen. Are you seeing the screen?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine, thank you. And are you seeing the spreadsheet here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So there you go, MS Evening Sessions online format classes, report date on May 24th, so 2021, cross exchange game activity, rounds and performance sheet. So Team Vishnupriya, round number 1, main points, bonus, penalty if there is any. Team Ritin, round number 1, points, bonus, penalty if any. Sanjay is out, Amna is out. So for this round alone, their score will be included. From next round onwards, they'll be taken off. Now, the leader, first of all, Vishnupriya has scored 76 points in the first round for her performance. Bonus has been given as 2 for her volunteerism. Second person is Dakshin Siddharth. 86 points have been given to him for his total performance. Please note, for each person, I have given 100 marks. Over round to go, 100 marks I evaluate. So Vishnupriya has scored 76 out of 100. Dakshin Siddharth 86 for 100. Bonus per se does not have a ceiling limit. Right now I have given it for 10, but over round to go 10 அப்படிங்கிறது போதும். But if you have been doing something really stupendous, then it will be changing. So Dakshin Siddharth 86 for his performance, and he has prepared a wonderful slide presentation for that. He has earned bonus. Dakshit, he did really well, 82 for his main performance, bonus 6. So far the team has not gathered any penalty. Mridubhashini 74, she spoke a little less. For the first 14 minutes Mridubhashini was not speaking, and that was poor planning. She should have been involved. She only came to the later section. That is when you got into the IdeaPad thing, only then Mridubhashini was able to speak. But however, with whatever performance she has done, she has scored 74 for the team, and she has earned a bonus of 2 marks for the team. Sanjay 72, he spoke twice or thrice I believe, and there was no proper energy. It was only the first class, so that can be excused. So since he spoke in the first class, 5 mark has been given. Brinda, she did really well, equivalent to Dakshit and Dakshin. She was everywhere and she was trying to speak as much louder as possible, energetic. Yes, of course, just like Mridubhashini, she also had an entry towards the end only, or towards from the midsection only, but the scoring was really nice. So she spoke more with intensity and the kind of activeness. So 82 and 5 marks bonus for her contribution. So team Dakshin Siddharth, so team Vishnupriya, total main points 472, bonus points 29 with 0 penalty, 501 in the first round.
Very well done, team.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Mitra.
Well done, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
thank you,
You're
sir.
welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Thank you, everyone.
You're welcome. You're
So
welcome.
for calculating the grand total, they'll have to actually add both, sir, your trainer's cut and the evaluation.
No. Yeah, about that. நீங்க மார்க் கொடுக்கிறது அப்படிங்கிற அந்த ப்ராக்ரஸை வந்து நான் கேன்சல் பண்ணுறேன்.
Okay, sir.
நீங்க இனிமேல் மார்க் கொடுக்க வேண்டாம். நீங்க ரொம்ப தாராளமா 95, 96 அப்படின்னு கொடுக்குறீங்க. உங்க நல்ல மனசு நான் ரொம்ப பாராட்டுறேன். நேற்று நீங்க அரை மணி நேரம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணி 2 பேரும் கடைசியில் 90 அப்படின்னு வந்து நின்னீங்க. ஸோ இட் பிகம்ஸ் வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். அதனால அந்த வேலையை நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன். நீங்க ரெஸ்ட் எடுங்க. நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன்.
Okay. Then is that slash, sir?
That's slash. That was to check how you are doing. So anyhow, I'll have to give the trainer's cut, so we will keep only the trainer's cut.
Okay, sir.
Team Ritin, the leader, he scored 79 and a bonus of 2 points. He spoke really well. He initiated well. During the team talk also, he was very active, and a bonus of 2 points given. Mitra, 86 for the main points. Very quickly, she pulled up the idea of preparing a presentation. although there were only 2 slides, not very extensive slide presentation like Dakshin Siddharth did for his team, but it was only an explanation of with the 2 slides. So even then, it is a very good effort with the given stipulated time. So 6 marks bonus for her, and 86 main point. Kalpita, again, she spoke really well. During the team discussion, she was giving up a lot of ideas, and she played the role of Kalpana Chawla, and she was really explaining things on more realistic basis, just not on a hanky-panky basis. So content-wise, it was rich. So that's why she has scored 86, and 6 points bonus given for her too. Sibi Adityan, although he is a little kid, he has been keeping himself, and speaking with the role of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was not easy. So he just did his level part. So 72, and a 3 mark bonus was given. I would like to speak about Sibi Adityan a little more. Sibi Adityan, are you hearing me? Sibi Adityan. Aswathaman, 76 points for his main performance, bonus 4, penalty 5. The one and only person. 2 reasons for the penalty. Penalty number 1, people like Mitra and Kalpita are the ones who don't complain, even if your teammates have committed any mistakes. Like, I have been seeing them accommodating little kids like Hafiz, Ritadya, Chandan, Nitika, Dhanush, Giri, Sibi Adityan, Shreya. They have been accommodating all these little kids for the past 2 or 3 months, but they have never came up with a complaint when those kids made any mistakes. But Aswathaman, although he is not a kid, he is very specific to inform others that he is in 7th standard but doing 6th standard. Maapala ivarudha, but ivar potirukka shirt enodudhu sonna mari, he always does that. But adukku etha mari nadandirukku. A person like Kalpita also coming up with a complaint that, sir, we told several times, but he never listened to us. That was very shocking. So he has made people like Dakshit, Kalpita to come up with such complaints, Abrina. And imagine the intensity of the perturbing that he has been given in that particular point. And commercial, that was unbelievable and so harassing. I cannot accept a 6th grade or a 7th grade student to do such a mistake. What kind of absent-mindedness is that? So, 5 marks penalty for your team. Okay? Bonus, but performance-wise, he has scored 76, which is good. Amna spoke 2 sentences, 69. And just like I gave Sanjay the bonus for 5 points, Amna also I have given 5. So the grand total is 489. A bonus of 26, a penalty of 5 which has been minused, and main points of 468. So there you could see the main points between team Vishnupriya and Ritan is about only 4 points, 472 and 468. And bonus also pretty much similar, 29 and 23, 3 marks difference. But the major difference has come over here. Penalty, 5. So 489, 501. This is the round 1 performance of cross-exchange games activity. Any questions?
No, sir. Thank you so
No,
much.
sir.
No, sir. Thank you for
Well
that.
done, team
You're
Ritan.
welcome.
Well done, everyone.
No,
Well
sir.
done, friend. Thank you, everyone.
You're welcome, everybody. So, yeah, you're welcome, everybody. So now, with 501 and 489 respectively, make sure that you are raising the bar in the second round. Yes, Ritan Nitish.
Sir, I'm so sorry for Aswathaman, sir. It will be the last time, sir. Hereafter, I will not do like that, sir.
Okay, taken. Right, let's see. Hereafter, he will not do. அப்படின்னு நீங்க சொல்றீங்க. Second roundலையும் third roundலையும் பாருங்க. So, without taking further, now the second game to be given for one team by one team. Yesterday, the game was given by Team Vishnupriya to Ritan first, and then Team Ritan gave Vishnupriya second. So today it's topsy-turvy. Team Ritan is going to give the game to Vishnupriya, right? And later Vishnupriya will give for Team Ritan, and the team talk will be given, and then we will have the presentations. So Team Ritan.
Sir, shall I
Yeah.
share my screen, sir?
So are you ready, Team Ritan?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
So now you can
Shall I
share.
share?
sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you can share. You can share.
Sir, can I start, sir?
Yes, you can start.
So, hello everyone, one and all present here. So, today we are bringing up with the task. The name of the task is simulated problem solving, and this is nothing but we'll be giving some props to you, and you can change it. Asitaman, can you please mute your mic? So sorry for the disturbance, friends. So today we are going to give some props to you, and I mean props in the sense some items, and you have to like create. We are going to give the problems as well, and the problems will be set by each member to a particular person. So the props will be given, and I have to solve that problem, including that item. It can be like any item. You can change it to any item. So then. Yeah, that's and the person will be starting the problem, continued by Mitra.
So good evening, one and all present here. So now, excuse me. So now Sibi will be saying his sort of problem. First, we are going to explain all the 5 problems, and later on, after we complete explaining the 5 problems, we will be showing you the properties. But before that, before we show you the properties and explain the problems, we have separate respective problems for each person. So Sibi will be saying for Vishnu Priyaka. So his problem is going to be given to Vishnu Priyaka, and she will have to simulate some object for that problem, and she will have to give a solution. So the first problem is going to be explained by Sibi for Vishnu Priyaka. Sibi, continue.
Good evening, 100% here. I'm giving the problem for Vishnu Priyaka. The problem is they have to write the problem in notes, and they have to act like that person, like that, like I don't have I don't have in I don't have I don't have I don't know to write drawing like then she has no self confidence.
So please elaborate. Yes, Sibi spoke. We appreciate that, but Mitra, elaborate on that.
Okay, sir. So your first problem is a person who is who is always afraid of doing things. The first solution you'll have to give is for fear management. How is he going to manage his fears, and how is he going to gain self-confidence in doing things? So that is your first problem. And next, Kalpitaka, you can continue with your problem.
Thank you, Mitra. So one thing we would like to mention here is these are all the problems that was faced by RMAC employees. Unlike the other company, we are giving them some time to realize their mistake and rectify it later, so that the person also will be successful, and the company will be also successful. So my problem is towards Brinda. The problem is an youngster is there, and he is about 22 years old. He has faced a bad past, and he was arrogant in his past. He had a lot of sacrifice for his families, and he has no maturity he has no maturity that a person should have in 22 years old. But after he started realizing all his mistakes, and he started rectifying all the mistakes, but the people around him does not still believe him that he'll be able to succeed. He is aspiring for something, but people are not giving opportunities. The main thing is there is no proper opportunity and disbelief in the society. One more thing I would like to mention is in this activity you have to differentiate in three generations. The solutions have to be given in three generations. The first one is how a teenager would face this. Second one, how a youngster would face this, and how a middle-aged man would face this. These are the things I would like to share. And over to Mitra.
So, Sibi Adityan, Mitra, and Kalpita have explained about the problems thus far. So, Brinda, Vishnupriya have got the right to ask any questions if they have. If you don't have any questions and if you have clearly grasped the things that they have mentioned, then we shall go further. So, Brinda, Vishnupriya, over to you.
Sir,
Sir, I have a question.
so
Sir.
I do have a question, sir.
Okay, so we will first ask Vishnupriya.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
sir. So, team, I have a question. If I'm not wrong, if I have got it right, I have to just give a solution for fear management. And should I be as a character that I have fear on something, or like I have only to give a solution? I should only give a solution.
It is about to you, Vishnupriya, your creativity. You could imagine yourself as the character, or maybe the person around you. It is about to you.
Okay, Kalpita, thank you.
Brinda, you can ask your doubt.
Yes, sir. So, Kalpita, you said that the man is 22 years old, and also you said that you have to give a solution on three kind of persons, like how do an teenager will face it, and how do youngster will face it, and how do middle-aged man will face it. For three of them, we have to give the same problem, that no opportunities and the disbelief in the society.
Yes, Brinda, the problem is same, and for different ages you have to give. If suppose it is a teenager, he would take long time to rectify it. He would take long time to realize it. So you have to differentiate between all the three aged persons.
Okay, Kalpita, thank you.
All right, so now take it forward. Next.
So, friends, we are going to give five problems, totally five problems, and one problem is extra because you are only four in number. So, when we were planning, we thought Anas would join, but unfortunately, he didn't join today. So, the one extra problem, any one of you can simulate and can explain the solution. So, now the problem I'm going to say is for Mridu Bashniaka. So, Mridu Bashniaka, now this person, you can name the person Tuka. He or she is working in an IT company. So when he or she was in their college, they actually aspired to become an entrepreneur. They wanted to start their own business, but unfortunately, due to some circumstances, this person was forced to join to study this IT course, and finally he ended up joining an IT company. But now he's lacking a lot of basic behaviors, and he's lacking self-confidence. When now, particularly now in 2021, his manager is having belief on him, and he has provided him with an project, a very, very important project. But now he's having inner demon. His inner demon is not allowing him to do the project. Now, last year we must have did a skit about inner demon and how to handle inner demon. So the one line I could give for this problem is, how would you handle the inner demon? So as Kalpita said, you have to provide three phases of generation. How a teenager would face if he is facing the inner demon, how a youngster like 22 to 25-year-old would face it, and how a middle age, that is 50 to 60 years old person would face it. So this is your problem, Ka. And next, Ashwitaman, you can continue with your problem.
So thank you, Ka. This question, I have put this question towards Dakshin Anna. So what this question is, there's a person, you can name him. he has finished his college, and now he's working as an working as an agriculturer, and what his problem is that in this agriculture they might have to go do research in different places, so they'll have to travel or stay in the places where they want to do the research. So so this person faces has fear for being alone. So for staying to do a research, he will take a and he should stay in a hotel. So staying alone in a hotel he has very he's too scared to do that, so that he faces many problems in his work. So how are you going to rectify his problem? That is my question. Over to the next person.
So, friends, mine will be the last question, and this will be a common question. Whoever can answer this problem. So, my problem is that there is a few friends in a boat has stuck in a middle of the ocean, and they have to go to the shore, but a storm is coming near the shore. So, how they are going to go across the storm, and they have to reach the shore? So how they are going to complete their mission? This is my question, and Kalpitaka will be explaining the timings for you.
So now I would like to explain the timings. For the team discussion, we are giving 5 minutes and 2 minutes of extension will be given. That is totally 7 minutes. And for the presentation or skit you are going to do, it is going to be 10 minutes with an 2 minutes extension.
Okay,
So
team.
that's
Thank you.
it.
So friends, are you able to?
Yes.
So friends, are you able to view our video?
Yes,
Mitra.
Mitra.
Yes, Mitra.
Okay, so team Vishnu Priyaka, I'm going to show your properties now. So your first property is this target. It is a 5 crore target that we used to use for shooting games. So this is your first property. Your second property is this mirror. So this mirror I got it from a board game that is available in MS City. So it is from a board game called Nature Science. So I got this. You can simulate it with anything. So your second object is a mirror. Then your third object is the box of bullets. All the 5 colors bullets. Your fourth object is this one object shows you gives you 2 cards. That is, one card is of the Brazil and another card is a passport. We used it in the working class heroes activity. So you can simulate it with anything. So the 2 international business cards. And last, this mini door that has 2 sides. You can open it and close it. So you can simulate it with anything. So do you have any questions, team Vishnu Priyaka?
Yeah, that's Doraemon door, right, Mitra? Sir, நல்லா இருக்கும் சார்.
ரொம்ப முக்கியம்
ஆமா
இல்ல?
சார்.
ஆமா சார்.
No doubt,
Okay,
Mitra. Thank
so
you.
Okay, thank you.
so that was a good preparation.
Thank you, sir.
இல்ல பிபிடி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணியிருந்தீங்க அதுல ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் அப்படின்னு மட்டும் போட்டிருக்கிறதுக்கு பதிலாக ஒரு 4 வார்த்தை ஆட் பண்ணிருக்கலாம்ல?
சார் செகண்ட் ஸ்லைட்ல இருந்துச்சுங்க சார்.
சரி.
நீங்க பார்க்கறது
இல்ல நான் தான் பார்த்தேன். பிபிடின்னு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டீங்க அதுல the problems are அப்படின்னு போட்டு அப்படியே உட்கார்ந்து டாஸ்க் பண்ண அப்படியே ஜாலியா.
சரி இல்ல சார் நான் கேட்டேன் சார் பிபிடி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணலாமான்னு கேட்டேன் சார் நானு. அப்ப வந்து ரிட்டன் வந்து ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்க்கு வேண்டியது
ஏன் கத்துற?
ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்க்கு வேண்டியது இல்ல சார், நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம்ஸை வந்து எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிடலாம்னு சொன்னோம் சார். அதனால அஸ்வத் அவனே ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி எடுத்து அவன்.
Okay, so Dakshin bhai.
Sir.
என்ன பிளான் பண்ணியோ அதை தான் நீங்க சொல்லணும்.
Sir, sir,
நீ
ரெண்டு round
second
plan
round
பண்ணிருந்தோம் sir. We have planned 2 rounds, sir. So that's what I was asking. So which one can we see? Shall I share my screen, sir?
Yes. So team Ritin, are you ready to gather the challenge? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, so we are going with round 3 first, sir, because in the round 2, what we did was they have to do debates without using the and sir. I mean the words the and So I think that will become a bit complicated, sir, in a debate form. So that's why, shall we go with round 3 first, sir? And then we'll edit that later. So shall we do round 3 first, sir, then? Because in round 2 it will be a bit complicated, sir, because we're doing debates without using the and so we'll edit it later.
I have a question. Before that.
Yes, sir.
So you're watching movies in Netflix?
Sir, no, sir.
There is a Netflix logo in your laptop taskbar.
Yes, sir. I have the app, sir, but I haven't subscribed to it, sir.
இப்போ அந்த ஆப்பை நீ வச்சிருக்கேன்னா அதை வச்சு உலக சமாதானத்துக்காக ப்ரே பண்றேன்னு அர்த்தமா?
இல்ல சார், ஆல்ரெடி இது இன்பில்ட் இருந்துச்சு சார்.
தூக்குடா அந்த ஆப், தூக்குடா, கண்ணு முன்னாடி தூக்குடா.
ஓகே சார்.
I believe in you. அந்த ஆப் நாளைக்கு உங்க லேப்டாப்ல இருக்க கூடாது.
எஸ் சார்.
ரைட், கோ ஆன்.
நான் ஓபன் பண்ணி காட்டுறேன் சார். சப்ஸ்கிரைப் ஆகலங்க சார்.
இல்ல நீ எவ்வளவு நல்லவன் எனக்கு தெரியும். சப்ஸ்கிரைப் ஆக்கிருக்கியா இல்லையாங்கிறதல்ல அங்க முக்கியம். But your mind keeps on getting attracted towards the logo and somewhere deep down in the mind say we have to subscribe, we have to subscribe.
No sir, Hotstar இருக்கு சார், அது போதும் சார். Sir, I also use it only for watching football, sir, not for movies, sir.
Okay. Netflix on laptopல இருந்துச்சுன்னா
இருக்காது சார்.
Your laptop will be.
Yes sir.
Right. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So you can share yours.
Yes sir. So for the betterment of everyone, we'll do round 3 first, sir. And